Hello, and thank you for watching this brief video demonstration on how to navigate your InsurLink portal. This is our landing screen. From here, you can look down and you can view your Trustpoint team. You have your agent and your account manager. There are quick links to get to our website to make a payment for your policy premium. You may also get to the Indio portal if there are any supplemental applications or e-signatures that have been requested. Under the recent documents, it will show you what has been uploaded under the document section, which we'll go over in just a little bit. There are also quick links here for your auto insurance, your certificates, and your overall policies. You can update your users if you are the admin for the account. This will change who has access to view which part of InsurLink. If you have multiple businesses that you have created a login with the same email for, you are able to click this drop down and switch between them. Over here in our nav bar, we can pull up our policies and get a summary of each one. We may also request or print our auto ID cards. We can view our claims or start a new claim. Here is this document section I had mentioned before. It's separated into folders. Within the folders are additional documents, and you can upload simply by just dragging a file and putting it in. Here you are able to request certificates and print out your certificates for your holders. If you have any additional questions on how to look over InsurLink, you can reach out to your account manager or your agent, or feel free to give us a call at 866-276-9622.